friends, this is me Zahid Hussain. In this video you will learn that how we can use wreath and kaleidoscope and what the effect of these plugins. In the beginning of this video I want to tell you that if you are watching this video first time on YouTube or any other website like Dailymotion etc. So for complete course you can visit our website computerhole.blogspot.com. Here you will get all the details about this complete video training learning course. So now open the welcome software. Wreath and kaleidoscope mostly used to make a repeat. If we have a object like this, if we have object like this type, so we can use, so we will make only one object, and by using wreath or kaleidoscope we will complete it. For example, by press 0, show all design, press D, image will visible. Now select the image, press K, lock the image. Now we will make, now you can see that we will make only one object from all these, and by using wreath and kaleidoscope we will complete it. Zoom a separate part. We will choose one object. We will make only one object from this all these objects, and by using wreath and kaleidoscope we will complete them. For example, I will make this object. Entry point and exit point and stitch angle, all these things you have already learned. So now you can see that we have made only one object. And now we will make a running on its outlines also. To make accurately the running on this object, we will turn off true view and show stitches. We will open or show only the outlines, and all these things you have learned in the previous all videos. Now press enter. So now we have to apply the wreath and kaleidoscope effect on this object, and we will complete this design. It's okay. Zoom a separate object. Now what we have to do, first we should group this object, and now click on the object. There is 8 objects, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 objects, so we to apply wreath and kaleidoscope, select the object, and now we have to click on wreath or kaleidoscope. For example, first we will use a wreath object, wreath effect, sorry. So first click on the object which you want to make repeat, and then click on wreath button. So you can see that its effect has applied. Now give him the number, uh, so how many wreath you want to apply, and you can type here manually, or you can uh, give the number by clicking here on the buttons. So now we have uh, select 8 numbers. Now you can see that the 8 objects are moving. We have to set their arrangement. uh, as you will move the cursor, you can see that the objects are moving. And if you want to move all these objects accurately, so you can press the control button from your keyboard. If you want to move accurately all these objects, so you can press the control button from your keyboard. And click here and click, and when you will click, its effect will be applied. Control Z for undo. Click here again and click here again on wreath, and now okay. So in this way you can make a object by using wreath or kaleidoscope. Now Control Z for undo. Now we will make this object complete by using kaleidoscope. Now click on kaleidoscope and give him the numbering, and you can make it. And if you want to set their arrangement accurately, so you can press the control button from your keyboard. If you will press the control button, you can see that their arrangement is the giving arrangement is accurately. Control Z for undo. Click on wreath object again. So in this way you can make the object completely. So we will make with wreath object. So this is the method of wreath and kaleidoscope buttons. Now we will complete this object. We will make a circle. Make some zoom and make a duplicate copy of this circle. Now I will apply complex fill directly, entry point, exit point, and stitch angle. Now I will select the drawing again of circle, and now I will change them into backstitch and change its color. So you can see that we make this object by using wreath and kaleidoscope buttons easily. We was make only one object and apply a repeat on them by using wreath and kaleidoscope. So all this type of objects can be made easily and can be made accurately by using wreath and kaleidoscope. like this. Like this. So our topic has completed. I hope you will like this video, and for all updates you can subscribe our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. Inshallah Aziz, we will meet again in the next video. So goodbye. Allah Hafiz.